Hi guys, postman's been. Tells us content. Fire wheel kite reel. Mini pack. Yeah, okay, well my latest kite I've been flying, is it 8 foot or something, Delta kite, and it's just been a real pain winding the line back in again because the handle it came with was all distorted where it had been wound on too tight. So I've treated myself to a cheap winding reel. That's a bit rough, needs a bit of trimming. Oh gosh, that's a bit stiff. Oh, you have to push it. There we go. Oh, that wasn't very impressive, was it? Screws missing. Yeah. Oh dear me. That's not exactly high quality, is it? Oh dear, oh dear. Goes in there. That way round. But the screw that holds it in place is missing. Oh, it's vaguely possible it could have come off in transit because there was a little hole in it. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh well, at least we know how to take it apart for maintenance purposes. That spring must be on there. Goes in. So that's how it locks in place. It's got to be on there first, hasn't it? Yeah, that locks it in place. So it can't come on unwound while you're using it. And then we got a ball race. Oh dear me. I'll have to look for a screw, aren't I? Hole there to poke your line through. Well, that's a bit disappointing, isn't it? Bits missing straight out from the beginning. I'll go and see what I can find. Other than that, there you go. That's today's Postbag. In the video description, I don't put a direct link. I just put the title of the item, and you can cut and paste that into your online store of choice and see if you come up with the same item. Well, I've managed to find a screw that fits, so there we go. Unfortunately it's not a countersunk head like that one, but it's, well, it's in there. Yeah, well, there we go. We'll have to put some line on it and try it out.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.